Cost-effectiveness of installing solar panels on homes compared to grid electricity. This document explores the financial implications of installing solar panels on residential properties in comparison to relying on traditional grid electricity. It examines initial installation costs, long-term savings, environmental benefits, and potential government incentives, providing a comprehensive overview for homeowners considering the switch to solar energy. Initial installation costs. The upfront cost of solar panel installation can vary significantly based on factors such as the size of the system, the type of panels used, and local labor costs. On average, homeowners can expect to pay between $15,000 and $30,000 for a complete solar panel system before any incentives or rebates. However, prices have been declining over the years, making solar energy more accessible. Long-term savings. One of the primary advantages of solar panels is the potential for long-term savings on electricity bills. Once installed, solar panels can significantly reduce or even eliminate monthly electricity costs. Homeowners can save thousands of dollars over the lifespan of the panels, which typically ranges from 25 to 30 years. Additionally, many states offer net metering, allowing homeowners to sell excess energy back to the grid, further enhancing savings. Environmental benefits. Switching to solar energy not only provides financial benefits but also contributes positively to the environment. Solar panels reduce reliance on fossil fuels, decreasing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting cleaner air. This environmental impact can be a significant factor for homeowners who prioritize sustainability and wish to reduce their carbon footprint. Government incentives. Various federal, state, and local incentives can significantly offset the cost of solar panel installation. The Federal Investment Tax Credit, ITC, allows homeowners to deduct a percentage of the installation costs from their federal taxes. Additionally, some states offer rebates, tax credits, and grants to encourage solar adoption. These incentives can make solar energy a more cost-effective option compared to traditional grid electricity. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the initial investment for solar panel installation can be substantial, the long-term savings on electricity bills, combined with environmental benefits and available government incentives, often make solar energy a cost-effective alternative to grid electricity. Homeowners should carefully evaluate their energy needs, local electricity rates, and available incentives to determine the best financial decision for their situation.